here we are. It's Sunday, April the 21st. And here we are, move the birdhouse over here, new location. It's third over there, nice and sheltered over there. So with all the other feeders, so. But I have kept this over here. This is a little mini table, you can see. All off the ground, nothing on the ground. And I've been in the grass there already, extending the net so the grass will grow there. The birds off it as well. And the apple feeder there. Not an apple feeder, as I thought when I bought it. For apples, it's an apple sheep feeder. And we got the, let's see, the gnomes are still around, they're over there in the new location. Some wood there for the birds. There's the plank of wood that was there. Insects there, growing that. Some wild bluebells. And I did all those, they're the trenches, yes I did those. What else? Let's see, let's go up here. Starting. Everything. Back my original camera. When it wouldn't work, when I got to work with 10-year service. Lovely. So the bird table is ready for guests. There they decide to go. And we got. Apologies, the feeders are actually empty, but I'll sort that out sometime. What are they doing now? They're up having. No, where'd they go? Yeah, up cleaning themselves there. Yeah, lovely. I love the starlings too. Okay, we'll leave them there. And big shout out to the Danny J channel. Before I forget, Now with graphics. I'll post the links down below. Danny made my background for my channel art on my channel. Two of them, two channels. So be sure to check out Night with Graphics as well. Put the links down below. And I'll attach this video to one of his videos. You read? And I got no tea in this morning. Most of my because I had my breakfast. And very soon, Manchester United, Tottenham play Man City and Liverpool play Chelsea at 4 o'clock. So hopefully get some kind of result. And I finish with a Day's flag. And of course, what would United play? Everton today in the Munster Cup, and I forgot about that. Everton FC. Cork team. Back with an update later on this evening. And the birds are starting to gather now. Now close the window. They don't like that. Take care, take a few photographs now in my coat. Bye.